Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to create a PayPal account latest version. First, visit the official PayPal website on your preferred web browser. Look for the Sign Up button, which is usually prominently displayed at the top right of the page. Clicking this button will initiate the account creation process, guiding you through the initial selections. Select Personal Account as your account type for everyday use. Now, carefully enter your personal information into the designated fields. This includes your legal first name, last name, and a current email address you actively use. You will also need to provide your full residential address, along with your date of birth. Ensure all details are accurate, as they are crucial for account verification and security measures. This step protects your account from unauthorized access. Next, you will link a payment method to your new PayPal account. This allows you to fund your transactions and receive money conveniently. You have the option to connect either a bank account or a debit or credit card. Follow the on-screen prompts to input your banking details or card information securely. PayPal typically makes 2 small deposits to your bank account for verification, which you will confirm later. Account verification is a critical step to ensure security and full functionality. First, check the email address you registered with PayPal for a verification link. Click it to confirm your email. Next, verify your phone number by entering the 4-digit or 6-digit code sent via text message. Occasionally, additional identity verification may be requested, such as submitting a photo of a government-issued ID. These steps protect your account and ensure smooth transactions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.